So the thing is this, hardly 1% of the population in India are real investors into stock market. And out of them, I will say, as per my knowledge, maybe not 20 and 25% people are successful. Correct? What had been your experience in the stock market? Will you please tell me?
Total failure.
Total failure. Correct. And what about others? Monam Sukriti Lakshanam. Okay. So this is the scenario of the market, that hardly very few people make money in the market. Why? What is the reason? The reason is this is what I found out, that it's a serious business. It's a real business. Okay, it's not an amusement. The thing is this, if you want to become a doctor, you are doing a course for 5 years or 6 years. You are doing MBBS. If you want to become a lawyer or advocate, you are studying LLB and you're spending 5 years of your time, giving 5 years of time for your academical knowledge. If you want to become a sports person, then also you go to gym, you make your physically and mentally, you challenge yourself, you do your homework, then you find a coach, you find a teacher, or you find some mentor in your life. But when investing comes, you don't do all these homeworks. Now the people who have raised their hands, I want to ask them, have you really done any course related to stock market? No, not a single person. This is why we lose money in stock market. Because remember one thing, this is what I have realized in my life, that no academic degree in the world can get you success in the stock market. It's a very tough game. It's a different game. So that does not mean that you don't need a degree or you don't have to be educated. I'm not saying that. It is something different. If you are an MBA master of finance, not necessarily you can drive a car very well. For that you need to take a training how to drive a car. You need to go for a practice. Same thing is applicable into stock market. So usually what we do, we don't study, we don't get any fundamental knowledge, we don't have any experience, and we are going into the stock market to try our luck. So academically we are not competitive. And second thing why we don't make money in stock market is for the simple thing that we think it's a very easy place to make money. And 99% people who are interested into stock market, who join stock market, they want to make money out of trading. And success rate in trading is only 1%. Now I want to ask you, are you a trader or you are an investor? Investor. Let me tell you, if you are investing without any knowledge, okay, without any background, without any measurement of your downside risk, that means you are not investing, you are gambling. That is the difference between gamble and a stock market. These are very close and close. The reason is this, that we are not trying, for investment you need a different perspective.